operation of the press equipment comes from many different systems and parts working in harmony. Overlooking minor details can lead to serious problems. It can cause the press equipment to wear out sooner. Performing daily inspection not only extends the machine lifespan, but also ensures safe operation and allowing you to run the production line with confidence. Let's see a demonstration of press machine daily routine inspection for AIDA NC1 series before and after use. The process begins with clearing the area around the machine to ensure safety and convenient work. Check the oil gauge around the machine to make sure that the oil level is higher than the level mark. If it is lower, top up the oil. Then inspect the auto drain filter under press machine. If it is dirty, clean it before operating press machine. Before turning on the machine, check the pressure gauge at the back of the machine. The counterbalance pressure is appropriate for up or die weight. To turn on machine, turn the breaker clockwise to on. Then check the main power signal light if it is on. After turning on the power, put the key in control power switch. Turn the key clockwise to on position. Press the emergency stop button. The button needs to remain down and to go back up only when you turn the emergency stop button to reset the direction. After turning on press machine, select a mode at the operation screen. Press run button to start the test and see the testing result at the screen. Putting the key in and turn it to inch mode. Make sure the text run OK appears on the screen. Turn the key in mode adjustment to tops to start testing the motor. Adjust motor speed to slowest before testing the motor. Turn on the motor and check the status light of the motor to see if it is running. Then increase the speed to observe how the motor performs at each speed level from the lowest to the highest speed. Check the spinning direction of the motor. You can see the sign near the motor that shows the right spinning direction, and also check the motor belt to see if there is a sound of slipping and abnormal vibration.